Hi, I'm Haigh from Sennheiser and welcome to our new facilities here in Marlow. This is our innovative space where we work closely with Audiologic to help support their integrators and resellers, where we have training, meeting and demonstration facilities.
Within the facility, we've got a whole load of different spaces for our customers to come and use. First up, we've got the Neumann Studio, which is a fully immersive Dolby Atmos space where you can come and listen to mixes or even record in an immersive setup. Directly outside the studio, we've got the workbench area, where we have the products that you can patch into the live environment and test it in a working setup. The key products here are the EWD and the EWDX ranges of wireless microphones, which you can then use throughout the space to conduct presentations or training events. One of the key spaces down here in Marlow is the divisible training room. We can use this for product training with our integrators, company meetings and even sales meetings like we've got on today. As you can imagine, there's a whole host of Sennheiser kit within the space, so again, it gives you the chance to use it in a live working environment. Throughout the office, there are small and large meeting rooms, breakout areas, quiet spaces, and collaboration booths to have meetings in. Sennheiser and Audiologic have now been working together for over 20 years, and it's great to have these new facilities down in Marlow for us to use. If you'd like to book some time with us, please do get in touch, and hopefully we'll see you down here soon.